To generate random numbers in Excel sheet, select a cell. Type =RAND, add parenthesis. Hit Enter key. Function has returned a random real number greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1. To get a random number up to a certain value, type =RAND, add parenthesis. Add star. Define value. Hit Enter key. Function has returned a random real number greater than 0 and less than 8. To get a random integer using this function, type int, open parenthesis, RAND, add parenthesis. Add star. Define value. Close parenthesis. Hit Enter key. Function has returned a random whole number greater than 0 and less than 12. Notice that whenever you recalculate worksheet, a new random number is generated.